Welcome. In front of me is a Samsung Galaxy M54, and today I'll show you how you can enable and set up your Do Not Disturb mode. So to get started, you want to swipe down from the top of your screen twice, and then find the D&D mode. It could be on the second page, but I can already see it's right here as the last toggle. You might find it, like I said, on additional pages. Anyway, once you see it, first time around I recommend holding it. This will then give you this option to turn it on for a specific amount of time until turn off, or navigate into the details, which is basically going into the settings and setting up how the mode will function in general. I recommend going here at least once and changing it to fit your exact needs. Once you've done so and you want to enable your mode, you can either just simply tap on it. If I go back, you can tap on it, or you can hold it and select it on a specific timer. Now, selecting it and choosing a specific timer will probably be the better option, as the default one will run until you turn it off yourself. So if you forget about it, it's just going to run there, and obviously block calls, or maybe not block calls, but prevent calls from sounding off, so you wouldn't even know that they're calling. So once you're done using your Do Not Disturb mode, you can also tap on a toggle once more to quickly turn it off. Now, with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.